Hey guys, Owen here from Macklin Ford, here to show you a 2021 Ford Mustang. This Mustang has a set of black rims and a spoiler. Its 5.0 supercharged V8 engine makes about 780 horsepower. This car is equipped with auto windows, auto lights, and a nice leather steering wheel. This car is also equipped with adaptive cruise control and also a full touchscreen with radio and navigation with climate control and a carbon fiber shift knob. And also, not to mention, a reverse camera. And also some really comfy seats for the back.